to undergo a hair follicle test, citing the constitutional principle that public office is a public trust. What do you say to this, Mr. President?
No. No. Why should I do that? That's,
You don't
what is a public trust, public office, public has nothing to do with a follicle test, please.
Psychological test, kahit ano yan. Neuropsychiatric test, kahit anong pang test yan. Gagawin ko yan. Dagdagan ko pa ng drug test. Pero dapat, magpa-drug test ang lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho sa Office of the President, sa Office of the Vice President, sa lahat ng opisina ng Senado, sa lahat ng opisina ng House of Representatives, sa lahat ng departamento ng ating bayan, ng ating pamahalaan.